Yo, what's up guys? Back with another video here, and I will be doing a video on my dog. I'm just kidding. I'm not doing a. Here, you want out? There you go. I will be doing a video. I'm just kidding. I'm not doing a video on my dog. What we're actually doing a video on is the Bissell Powerforce Compact Turbo 2690. Welcome to day 5 of Christmas vacuuming. Yep. Day 5 already. Yep, day 5. And also, I am actually watching a stream right now. Vacuums and carpet cleaner guy. Subscribe to his. If you want a cookie, subscribe to his channel. If you want 2 cookies, subscribe to my channel. So, if you want 2 cookies, subscribe to Vacuums and Carpet Cleaner Guy, and subscribe to my channel if you want 2 cookies. So, if you want 2 cookies, subscribe to both of our channels. So, watching Vacuums and Carpet Cleaner Guy, his stream, just talking about vacuums and what we do and all that stuff. But I will be doing another video on my Bissell Powerforce Compact Turbo, and you can see there's quite a bit of dirt in it. And if you look, it's pretty close to the max fill, so I need to empty it. See, the dirt's there, the max fill line's there, so yeah, it's pretty close to the max fill, so I need to empty it soon. So anyways, close the door. This is day 5 of Christmas vacuuming. Yep, day 5 of Christmas vacuuming. Largemouth Bass Vacuums wanted me to do another video on Baby Bissell. This is the cutest one out of the collection. Why do I say it's the cutest one? Because it's tiny and it's cute. It's so small, guys. Like, you literally won't believe your eyes at how small this thing is. It's so small. It's really, like, look, here's my pinky, alright? I could pick this up with my pinky. Alright, you see? My pinky. That's how light it is. I can pick it up with my pinky. It's that light. So, I'll show you the plate, I guess. I don't know. I guess I'll show you the plate because you probably want to know. Let's see. There you go. Model 2690. 115th? Yeah, 115th day of 2019. So this thing is not even 2 years old yet. As expected, because I just got it last year. So yeah, this is what we'll be doing for day 5 Christmas vacuuming. So I guess I'll go ahead and unwrap the cord and we'll get started here. This vacuum actually has a pretty long cord. I think it's 22 feet. I'm not sure, guys, but I think it's 22 feet. That's 25 feet. I think that's 30 feet. No, it's not 30 feet. Definitely not. Actually, yeah, I think it is 30 feet. So I think that's 30 feet. This is 25 feet, and this is 22 feet, I think. So anyways, plugging it in now. It's plugged in. And yeah, this is the vacuum for day 5. Here's the stream. Alright. Anyways, let's go. Let's do this. Here we go. That is the Christmas vacuuming for day 5. So, largemouth bass vacuums. So let me know on what other videos, or what, no, not what other videos. Let me know on what vacuum you want me to do for tomorrow for day 6. For day 6. So let me know in the comments for day 6. So yeah, that ends it right here. Like, comment, subscribe. Also, like I said, this live stream right here, subscribe to Vacuums and Carpet Cleaner Guy. Do you see that right there? Subscribe. Do the same thing on my channel. Subscribe. You see notification, you see the bell right there? Hit it right there so you'll get all notifications whenever I upload. So that's the end of this video right here. Hope you enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe. Subscribe if you want a cookie. Subscribe to Vacuums and Carpet Cleaner Guy and my channel if you want 2 cookies. So anyways, like I said, the end of the video right here. And until next time, guys, peace.